A very good morning to everybody in the early years department. I hope that you're all enjoying your week and that you're doing the best you can every single day. This is a short week that we're in. There will be no school on Friday and again on Monday because it's half term. So you've got 4 days this week and 4 days next week to work really hard and do your best. Okay, everybody? Let's find out which of our friends have had birthdays this week that we need to celebrate. In reception A, it's Oratile and Connor have had birthdays. In 1A, Jonathan has had a birthday. In 1B, Laurie is having a birthday. In 2A, Ruby is having a birthday. And in 2B, Ntatisi is having a birthday. In 3A, it's Ashlyn. In 3B, Anlin. And in 3C, Ronan. A very, very happy birthday to each and every one of our birthday children. I hope that you have a wonderful day celebrating your special day with your friends and your family. Right, we'll quickly sing happy birthday to all our friends, and then we're going to get ready to listen to the rest of our assembly. Right, this morning, Mrs. Laverick, who is our PYP coordinator, and Mrs. Frolick are going to be talking to you all about something very, very important that we do here at Northside School, and we need all the children to know about this. All right, so the first thing is that I'm going to be talking to you about the mission statement. I know it sounds like a very long and difficult word to understand, but I'm going to be explaining it to you very carefully so that we all understand it better. Okay, so please everybody sit up straight and get ready to listen carefully. Right, boys and girls, I would like to start off the slideshow by finding out exactly what a mission statement is. Every business or place of work has a mission. Their mission is what they would like to achieve in their school or shop, hotel, movie, theatre, whatever it may be. We should always have a mission to work towards. This is Disney, and their mission is to make people happy. I'm sure you'll agree that Disney certainly makes us all happy when we watch their amazing movies that they've created over the years. This is Google, and their mission is to organize the world's information and make it useful to everyone. For those of you who have used Google before to help with your research, you will know that they are excellent at following their mission. And this is the Northside mission statement. These posters are displayed all over the school. Look out for them when you walk around. As you can see, Northside has quite a few things that we are working towards creating. I have created a board with a few photos to help make it easier for us to understand. This board, if you would like to go and have a look, is outside Standard 1A classroom. Our first mission is to create lifelong inquisitive learners at Northside. And what this means is that we would like our students to ask questions and love to find out new things all the time. Another one of our missions is to create adaptable and resilient learners. And what those long words mean is that we would like our children to make the best out of all situations. COVID is a good example of how we've all had to be adaptable and resilient. We've had to wear masks and play differently, just to give you a few examples, but we've gone about our days at school doing our best and enjoying it to the fullest. Another important mission at Northside is for our students to be environmentally responsible learners. Those are extremely long words, but what they mean is we would like our students to learn to take care of our community, the world, and the planet. And it all starts right here at Northside by doing little things, which will one day, hopefully, be big things. Another important element of our mission statement is creating interculturally skillful learners. Some more long words for us. And what they mean is we aim to teach our students to respect and value people from all around the world. We are very lucky in that we have children from 36 different countries at Northside. So we have the opportunity to learn so much from people from different countries to us. Our fifth mission that we have is to create action-focused learners at Northside. And we already do plenty of this. Here are a few examples. We take part, and sometimes we think of ways ourselves to make a positive difference in people's lives, no matter how small it is. Love in the Bag is an example of this, and also the day we wore our funky socks. These we did to help people in our community. Our last mission, and also a very important one, is to develop caring and health-conscious learners. We would like all our students to look after themselves, which means living balanced lives, taking care of what we eat and drink and doing enough exercise and getting enough sleep, but also looking after one another.
Good morning, early years. So Mrs. Frolik was talking to you about the mission statement, and I'm going to talk about the voice, your voice. Something that we value at Northside through our high quality teaching and learning, and being part of the global organization, global community. We value at Northside your voice. So your voice is something you can hear when you talk, but also it's your opinion. It's when you share your wonderings, when you share your questions, when you share your opinion and your reflection, when you take part in different events, different charities. It's all part of your voice. So you're going to listen to a story read to you by our Northside house captains. But before that, because you've sat and listened to us for a while, I would like Sable to stand up in your classroom. And what's the color of Sable? It's blue. So can you all shout, "Go Sable"? Well done. So now you can sit down. And Kudu, the Kudu members, if you could please stand up. What's the color of Kudu? It's green. Well done. And can you shout, "Go Kudu"? Well done. Now we're going to have Impala members. If you can stand up. What's your color? Yes, it's yellow. And can you shout, "Go Impala"? Well done. Please sit down. And Eland, can you stand up, please? What's your color? It's red. And can you all shout, "Go, Eland"? Well done. Please, can you all sit down nicely and listen to the story?
Kay and Adley Find the Voice by Callie and Russ Quagli, illustrated by Daniel Minter with Donald Eli. Crack!
Hello, little ones. Welcome to the world. What's that noise, Mama? That's my voice. What's a voice?
It's what we use to share our thoughts and ideas. It's what we use to talk to others and say what we like and dislike. Wow! Do I have a voice? You sure do. You can use your voice to tell me how you feel. You can use your voice to make new friends.
Does everyone have a voice? Yes, everyone is special and should be heard. How exciting! I hear lots of voices. I wonder what's going on down there. Let's explore. Let's go, Adley. Come on, Kay. Flap those wings. I want to meet new friends.
Hi there, what's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Casey the Skunk. I like meeting new friends. I use my voice to introduce myself. Let's be friends. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is friendly. I hope you agree. Hello, what's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Zaza the Camel. I love making discoveries. I use my voice to ask questions. Let's go exploring. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is curious. I hope you agree.
Good morning. What's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Chelsea the Kangaroo. I like teaching games to my friends. I use my voice to explain directions. Let's try something new. My voice is my choice. It's special to me. My voice is patient. I hope you agree. Hi. What's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Chrissy the Lion. I share my ideas with others. I use my voice to express my opinions. Let's all share an idea. My voice is my choice. It's special to me. My voice is confident. I hope you agree.
Hello there. What's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Poppy the Rhino. I believe we are all important. I use my voice to make everyone feel included. Let's do something together. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is respectful. I hope you agree. Greetings. What's your name? How do you use your voice? I am Pat the Walrus. I take care of our environment. I use my voice to make a difference. Let's clean up the world. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is responsible. I hope you agree. Recycle. Respect our earth. Don't litter. Save a critter. Think green. Hug a tree.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Eric the Panda. I can do anything. I use my voice to share my hopes and dreams. Let's dream together. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is optimistic. I hope you agree. How are you? What's your name? How do you use your voice? I'm Lobo the Lobster. I enjoy doing things for others. I use my voice to make my friends smile. Let's make something together. My voice is my choice. It is special to me. My voice is thoughtful. I hope you agree. Hello, Kay. Hello, Adelie. What did you learn on your journey? I want to have a hopeful and encouraging voice so I can be an inspiration to others. I want to have a brave and wise voice so I can be a leader of good causes. My voice is powerful. My voice is original. We all have a special voice. Use your voice to make a difference. What kind of voice do you have?
Right, everybody. I hope that Mrs. Laverick and I have managed to explain some of the things that we do at Northside a little bit clearer to you. You know that if you need to ask us any questions, if you would like to know more, please do come and ask. All right, our doors are always open to our students. So, the only thing left for me to say now is have a wonderful week. You've only got a day left, and then it's time for our half term. Please be safe wherever you go and have lots of fun, and we will see you again next Tuesday. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and an even better long weekend. Bye.